Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally going to be doing a room tour video. I really wanted to do this video for a while, but I am doing it now because I'm actually going to be moving in less than a week. I don't know when I'm going to be able to upload this video, but I am moving July 27th and it's the 21st today. So before I start packing everything up and before I'm out of this room for good, I just wanted to do a room tour video and show you guys my room. I'm gonna try to make this video quick but still informative and tell you guys where everything is from. If I missed something and you want to know where something's from, then let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer for you. But without further ado, let's just get into the room tour. Okay, so when you walk into my room, this is what you see. Here is the back of my door. I have this really cute butterfly hook rack thing. I got this at Five Below and I just keep my current bags on it. I'm currently using this Coach strawberry bag and then my Kate Spade strawberry bag. To the left in the corner, I have my bookshelf. This is my prized possession. I love my bookshelf so much. At the top, I have my plushie collection. And then on the top shelf here, I have two book series here. These are from like my more so childhood. I haven't read these book series in a while because they're more like teenager, like younger books, but I love them. I won't get rid of them. This light is from Miniso. This is so cute. I got this at Marshall's. I also have a couple of Sunny Angels, this picture frame of my sister and I, Lego flowers, this crate I got from Marshall's, and I just have a bunch of chapstick in here. This ring dish I got in Maine, and then this little jar actually has all my change, and I got this at Marshall's. Next shelf has more of my current reads, and these are kind of more my series. I'm currently reading this book right now, and I love it. I love Elle Kennedy. On this side, I have this little shelf with a bunch of like little candles and some more Lego items. I have another Sunny Angel, and then on this side, I have this cute little frame from Joann's, I think, and then this like floral wire thing from Michael's, and then I got this dish in LA. Next shelf down, I have all my other books that aren't part of like a series. I've read like these are all my unread books. This little cake thing I got from Etsy, it's actually a jewelry box, and I keep my resin and beaded rings in there. Another Sunny Angel, a picture of me and my boyfriend, and then a fake plant. Next shelf, I have this jewelry box. I got this from Amazon, and it's honestly really big for the amount of jewelry I have, but I'd rather have more space than not enough, you know? I have this frame with an elephant print that my mom got for me at a market. I have some more Sunny Angels. This dish I painted myself. This Eiffel Tower ring holder is from Yosemite. I have a little elephant succulent, my Polaroid, and then this really cute box I got recently at HomeGoods. It's empty. And then the bottom shelf, I have these two bins. If you want to know more about what's in here, you can look at my decluttering my bracelet supplies collection video. It's just thread in there. And then I have this cute sign from Joann's, and then this cute ring dish with this little elephant. Also keep my wipes back there so I can clean when I need to. Going over here, I have my nightstand. This is the Hemnes nightstand from IKEA. I love it. On top, I have this really cute lamp. It's one of those like wax warmer lamps, so you light it up down there and it will just melt the wax, and it's honestly so good. I love this thing so much. I have my mouth guard right here. I am a teeth grinder, so I just keep my mouth guard on my nightstand even though it's ugly. It just stays there. I have this cute floral mirror. I got that from Five Below, and then my alarm clock that I got from Target that I've had for years. I have my Apple Watch in the corner, some chargers, and then this remote controls my twinkle lights. I got these lights off of Amazon and they were literally like $10, and they're the best $10 I've ever spent. I also just have my Yeti chilling over there. Here is the top drawer of my nightstand. It just has like random stuff, a lot of like supplements and like Vaseline and my bonnet and like a sleep mask and just stuff like that. And then the bottom drawer, I have my reading journal. I've been reading a lot this year and I just keep track of every book I've read and just the stats and everything behind it, so I love doing that. And then this bin, I'm currently using this to store all of my completed bracelets. For now this works, but it's already pretty full, so I'm probably gonna end up using something else in the future. And then I have my beautiful bed. So it is a queen size bed, and I do have a duvet. This is not a comforter, it's a duvet. I made the mistake of getting a king sized duvet for my queen size bed. A lot of people say this is like a life hack because it's like nice and oversized and fluffy and plump and great, but no, it's not. It looks fine, but if you go on this side, you can see the duvet is like touching the ground because kings are shorter but wider than a queen. So honestly, it's just really annoying having a super wide comforter, especially when it's in the corner of the room, because I have to like stuff the comforter in the corner, and it's not good. Another thing, if you get a king size duvet, it comes with king sized pillowcases. So these pillows are huge because they're for a king size bed, not a queen size. Anyways, and then I have my normal pillows here. I have on these strawberry Kate Spade sheets. I got these from HomeGoods. They're my fave. This strawberry pillow is from Marshall's, and then this heart one is from HomeGoods. And then I have my little My Melody plush, my Squishmallow, and then Ellie. You guys know about her. Then I just have this cute throw blanket. I got this blanket from Ross. And then my duvet cover is from Amazon. And then I have this cute white like ruffle. Oh, I also have this blanket underneath. This is from Target. It's Betsy Johnson. But I have this white kind of like ruffle bed skirt. It's kind of long for my bed, unfortunately, but it's fine. It's from Amazon. Above my bed, I have these two frames. These are just poster frames from Target, and then I got these prints off of Etsy and then printed them out from Staples. And then going over to this corner, this is my desk. I did a super in-depth video about my desk in a vlog I posted a few weeks ago. This desk setup is completely new, but I'll just run through it pretty quickly. I have a wallflower plugged in down here. On the wall, I have my YouTube subscriber plaque and then some little photos and stuff. I have this neon sign from Amazon, and then I have a cute little Sac State plushie that I'm gonna put on my bag when I go to school. I have this cute cloud shelf. This is actually from Five Below. I love it, and I have some My Melody blind boxes on top and some other little trinkets. My desk is kind of a mess right now, but it's fine. In the corner back here, I have my Rollo printer and then a coaster, and then I've been doing some like air dry clay crafts. These are just drying for right now. I have my PC right here, and on top I have some more air dry clay crafts that I've been doing. And then I also have my clipboard where I keep my current bracelet that I'm working on up here. I just finished this one yesterday, so I just threw it up here while I need to put it away still. Over here, I have another coaster, my lamp, my Vanity Impressions Hello Kitty mirror, and then a little desk fan. And then I have my whole setup right here. I have two monitors, my mic, headset, keyboard, mouse. I also have a cute little Sunny Angel just chilling on my monitor. I do have a set of Alex drawers here, so I have a charger. So I'll just quickly open these and you guys can kind of get the gist for what's in each drawer. This one is like all my Etsy stuff. I have all my journals and stuff in here. And then the bottom one just has all of my bubble mailers. Over on this side, I have this drawer, which has all of my makeup in here. And then this opens up and is a cabinet, and I just have like mainly just school stuff. This is like, I have like an old textbook, notebooks and stuff for school, and then these are like my files with like all my important documents in there. And then this one just has like blank paper. This is the Malm desk from IKEA, and then like I said, this is the Alex drawers on the side. Over here I have my hamper. I've had this hamper forever, and I have a beautiful window right above my desk. It looks great. And then over in this corner I do have my closet, and it is like a mirrored closet. So on this side, I actually do have these built-ins in the closet. This room used to be my brother's, but he moved out, and then when I moved back home, I moved into this room. So my mom had the darker wood installed in my brother's room. I really don't like it, but it is what it is. Up top, on the very top, I have just some boxes of like random stuff. I have like all my markers in here, and then I have all my old bracelets in here. I have these two bins up top. This first one, I just have like nail polish and hand sanitizer, and I think that Bath & Body Works bag has soap for my boyfriend. I bought him for his birthday. And then this one just has all of my backup body creams, hand cream, wipes, face masks, and my fabric defuzzer, depiller. Yeah, that's right. This shelf, I have this kind of little shelf thing. I got this from Amazon. On top, this bin just has all of my like hair accessories. I have all these bows, I have some ribbon, and I have some like headbands and stuff in here. Underneath, I have another one of these crates, and this one just has all of my extra makeup. I'm almost out of like my mascara and stuff, so I have a backup in here. I have extra powder puffs, and then I also have the like 2 eyeshadow palettes that I own for the once a year that I wear eyeshadow. And then I have this cute little organizer. I got this from Shein, and I just have my hair stuff in here, bobby pins, clear elastics, and then regular hair ties. Up here, I have a new rubbing alcohol for when I do my nails. The one I normally use is actually expired, and it has been, but I still have so much of it left that I'm like, I don't want to get rid of it, but I have a backup for when I do finally decide to throw that one away. And then I just have some lotion. This is the Vanilla Cashmere EOS lotion. This is amazing. If you don't have this, go to Target and buy it. Over here, I have some dry shampoo. I really like this Ava NYC one. It's really great. And then I have this container from Shein that has all my scrunchies. And then I have a box of Kleenex back there. And then these 2 photo boxes are just all, not all actually, part of my nail stuff. So this top one just has all of my nail prep stuff. And then this one has all of like the fun stuff, the charms, all the polishes, the chromes, things like that in here. And then the last shelf here, I have these 2 really cute pink storage bins. I got these both at Ross. In this one, I have all of my perfumes. I've been really trying to downsize my collection because the only perfume I honestly really want is my Black Opium. But I have all of these perfumes, so I'm trying to use them up, and then I'll mainly wear this one. And then in the back, I have a nail dust collector that just doesn't fit in my collection, so I just stuck it back there for now. And then this one, I have all my hair care products, my deodorant, and then some rose water spray. And then this is an old candy tin that I just put fabric on in like 9th grade, and I just have all my hairbrushes and stuff in there. Then these drawers come out. So this top one, I just have like socks, bras, underwear. This drawer is like summer pajamas, like summer loungewear, so like summer shorts and like summer tops. And then I also have my sweats and leggings back here. This drawer has all of my jeans and then shorts, and then I have all of my like winter pajamas. And then the bottom drawer is all of my fuzzy socks and then my crew necks. I love crew necks. So that is this whole side of my closet. I do have something on the back of this door. This is a really cute claw clip organizer. I got this off of Shein, and it is like the best purchase I've ever made because I have so many claw clips and I just like being able to organize them. And then on the other side of my closet, here is what it looks like. So up top, I have all of my purses. I did like a whole purse collection video if you're interested in learning more about those. I have some shoe boxes. Those are my high top Converse. And then I have some booties in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. My bestie bought this on Facebook Marketplace, and she thought it was much bigger than it was, but she gave it to me, and I think it's so cute. I want to clean it up a little bit and maybe sand it or something, but isn't this so adorable? I love it. This box has scrapbook paper. I have one of these like paper cutter things. I love it. It's so useful. And then this pink box is like a memory box for me and my boyfriend. I have these 2 little bins. This one is completely empty. I have yet to put anything in there, but I didn't want to get rid of the bin because I might need it one day. But this one has wallflowers, and then I have an Echo Dot that I have yet to set up. And then I have my clothes rack right here. So I have a shoe organizer. I've had this for so long, and I just keep all of my shoes in here. And then I have all my clothes hung up. I do have them organized. So it goes cardigans, and then I have dresses, tank tops, and then I go into shirts, and my shirts are actually color coordinated, so there's that. I have all my work shirts right here, which I don't think I'll need anymore because my last day at my old job was yesterday, so I could probably get rid of these. And then I just have like long sleeves. I have my sweater vests because I love sweater vests. And then I have sweaters, more jackety type things, and then my actual jackets. I have one of these cube shelf organizers from Target. These top ones are kind of annoying because the clothes like cover them. But this top one, oh my god, I just have like the most random stuff in here. I have like my hot glue gun, my high school diplomas in there. I have like memories, like cards and stuff from people. This middle one is actually all of my nail stuff, all my other nail stuff. This is more of the bigger stuff. My lamp, my drill, my foils, all my polishes are in here. And then this one on the bottom is all of my journaling and like stationery stuff. And then this one is all of my travel stuff. I have like makeup bags, travel size products. This bin is all of my smaller bags that can fit in here. So I have like my pencil case and like some bags that I smushed, and then just like my smaller bags are in there as well. And then this last bin is all my electronics. I have phone cases, plugs, cords, chargers, lights, things like that. And then this bin is not normally in my room. I just have it up here because I've been using it a lot more. This is like all my art stuff. I have my colored pencils, I have chalk pastels, I have watercolors, I have acrylic paint. I've also bought stuff for my air dry clay stuff. I have some varnish, and I bought like these letter stencils. And then these two things are my air dry clay. I just use the Crayola stuff. I got this at Michael's. And then over here, under all this stuff, I have some slippers. That black thing is my tripod. And then I have this little bin with some s'more socks. And then I have my Ugg boots. I barely wore these this season, but I don't want to get rid of them because they're cute. Okay, well that is it for my closet. The last thing in my room is this little section. This is just my blanket ladder. I love this thing so much. It was in my living room in my apartment when I was moved out, but I was like, you know what, it might be cute in my room, and it is. I actually got this blanket ladder custom made. This guy, he was a stay-at-home dad, and he just had his own little like small business on Facebook Marketplace where he made like wood stuff like this. And I actually think it was only like 60 bucks, which is just incredible. And then behind it, I do have this little cloud magnet which holds my keys. I have my normal keys, and then I have my spares. But yeah, that is my entire room tour, you guys. It's really small, but I feel like I've made it work with the space that I have, and I love my room so much. Okay, well that was my entire room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love my room so much, and I've honestly made it such a cozy place for myself, and I just love being in my room, so I am like so happy with it. But I'm also really excited to move into my new apartment and kind of redo it, reorganize it. I will be doing some moving vlogs as well, so look out for those. But thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I will see you later. Bye.